The rain had fallen for days and nights, as it often does in the Blue Ridge Mountains. But cabin fever had gotten the better of me. With the fall foliage at peak color, the Blue Ridge Parkway beckoned irresistibly. Overlooks teeming with leaf peepers, I chose a muddy pull-off to park at instead, and lay listening to the cacophony of birds and silence that surrounded me. When I set off again, I came upon a barrier, and with a decision to make, I decided to follow a small side road and found a place to stop and hike. The foliage was bedazzling. My hike finished, I set off towards Asheville, following the Elk Mountain scenic byway along the ridgeline. And soon, my rainy fall drive along the parkway came to an end.